Today we're doing a full body Pilates workout using a set of dumbbells. Also keep in mind the full length version of this workout and so many others can be found in my unlimited community. Link to sign up is below. So today we're doing a full body Pilates workout and we are adding some dumbbells for just a fun and interesting challenge. You can of course do this workout without the dumbbells at all, but I encourage you to grab them and just see how it feels. I am using 5-pound dumbbells and you can do anywhere from 1 to 5 pounds, whatever works for you. So go ahead and grab your dumbbells and let's get started. So we're gonna start in standing and I'm gonna have you turn your feet out into what we call Pilates V. So your heels are touching and your toes are turned out. And your arms are gonna be here with the palms facing up and the elbows bent. And you're gonna exhale to lift your arms out in front of you and inhale to bring them back down. So here's what it looks like from the side. So you're working on just a little bit of body awareness here to start. I want you to feel the heels touching, feel the insides of the legs like they're zipping up all the way up to your pubic bone. Think about the back of the head reaching towards the ceiling. Make sure you're not gripping or really tightening anywhere, especially your toes or your buns. Make sure that they're nice and relaxed, but you simply have awareness everywhere. And this is called a scoop action, what we're doing with our arms here. So collarbones are wide. We're just warming up our breath and connecting to our body here. One more. Lift, stay here. Turn the palms to face each other. And now open the arms and close. Open and close. So it's a great way to obviously work our arms, but with these lighter weights, we can have a little more space to be aware of that posture and those Pilates kind of moves that we'll be incorporating here today. Last one. Nice job. Now close, stay here, little pulse, lift, lift. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower back down. Nice job. And I'll meet you down on the mat. So we're gonna come onto all fours, but the difference is my hands are actually on the dumbbells. I'm holding the dumbbells and my hands are underneath my shoulders, knees underneath my hips. And what I want you to do is you are going to hold that dumbbell on the left, pull it up to a row, bring it back down, and then the right one and down. And we are gonna progress this, okay, into a little more Pilates choreography. But I want you to keep in mind that you can come back to this anytime you need to. All right, this is a great way to shift your weight from one side to another. It's a great way to work the upper back. So this is your home base. So you can stay there or take it the next piece with me. Lift your arm or your elbow, then open the arm up, bring it down and return. Other side. So elbow, open, bend, return. So again, we're opening across our chest, getting some twisting, getting some arm work. And we're gonna take this another step. If you would like to come with me, what we will do is come back to this all fours position, step one foot back, and then the other, and find a plank. Left arm up, open, down, in, and switch. So that's the nice thing is you can take it to whatever level is right for you today. And then with consistency, with building habits, in a month, you progress right along with me to the next level. Or maybe you need to stay where you are and either one is just great. Nice job. Come down, knees down, take your hips back. And then leave the weights where they are Restack your spine. And we're gonna bring the legs around in front. And you're gonna bring those dumbbells with you again. Okay, so have your legs mat distance apart. You're gonna sit up nice and tall. Leave one dumbbell behind. The other one comes into your hands and goes right in front of your chest. Now on an exhale, reach your arms up. Inhale, bring them back in. So we have a lot of posture happening here. Some hip mobility. Nice job. Weight to your chest, stay here. Inhale, rotate to your left. Exhale, center. Inhale, rotate to the right. Exhale, center. Sitting up taller each time. Now, if you want to add to it, what you're going to do is every time you come back to center, press the weight up. Every time you rotate, bring it down. So it's like by reaching the arms up, you can almost get yourself taller. So sometimes adding a dumbbell or weights will make things more challenging, right? That's the obvious part. Occasionally, you might feel like your body understands a movement more by adding weight. Sometimes adding a little resistance for your joints and your muscles actually can help you find a position a little bit more. Nice job. Come back to center. Squeeze the legs together. Inhale tall. Exhale, curl your tailbone. Roll yourself down one vertebrae at a time. Bend your knees. All right, so your feet are gonna be flat with your legs hip distance apart. And you're gonna go ahead and grab both dumbbells again in your hands. And bring them so that the palms are facing each other, but your elbows are down. Inhale. Exhale, curl your tailbone and roll yourself up one vertebrae at a time. Inhale at the top. Exhale, roll back down. Inhale. Exhale to curl and roll. So working through a bridge. Not doing much with your arms yet, but we'll get there. On this next one, let's roll up and stay there. So keep the bridge. And then now on an exhale, press your arms up. Inhale, bring them down. So you're keeping the hips level. You're working through the whole back side of your body. We've got your back, your low back, your glutes, your hamstrings. But now we've added this great bicep and chest component to it. Last two. And one. Arms come down. Roll yourself back down. And then now take those weights and you're gonna place them on your hips and hold them there. And then again, exhale, curl, and roll yourself up. Find yourself in the tall bridge, but now keep your back flat. Lower, just tap, lift, tap, lift. 5, 4, really press up every time. 2, 1, and now roll back down. Nice job. All right, go ahead and set one weight down. Keep one again, and I'm gonna bring it back to my chest, same place it was a little bit earlier. You're gonna inhale, tuck your chin. Exhale, roll up. We're gonna find a crunch. And notice, it's almost like I'm just rolling up over that weight, okay? And then come back down. So if this bothers your neck, I want you to place a pillow or some kind of bolster behind your head, and that'll help. I promise it's not cheating. I want you to be able to find accessibility here. So you do what you need to do to find a way to do the exercise, right? I want you to meet your body where it is. I want you to meet me wherever you are today. Okay, on this one, roll up, stay there. Now you're gonna press the weight away and come in. Keep that tailbone flat. And if the crunch is too much, you'll do the same thing, just down flat on your back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull the weight in, we're not done. Twist to the left, center, right, center. One more each side. Nice job. Center and roll down. Very good. Let your head turn side to side. All right, go ahead and set that weight down. Straighten out your legs. Reach your arms back. Inhale. Exhale. Arms come up. Tuck your chin. Everything comes all the way up, over, and restack. Arms come in front. Inhale, tall. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, restack. Sweep the arms around and up. Exhale, reach. Inhale. Exhale. And reach the arms up and then just bring them down in front of you. And great job. I hope you had fun with that workout today. Keep in mind, the full length version of this workout and so many others can be found in my Unlimited community. I will have the link below to sign up. I'll see you on your mat soon.